Si Patrick Lencioni wrote the book, The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team. And sabi niya, it's not finance. It's not the amount of money that you have. It's not technology. It's not strategy. It is teamwork that remains to be the most competitive advantage of an organization. Teamwork. Okay? One, because it's powerful. If you can get the team to agree to a way of working together, you can do anything. Pero meron dulo yung quote na yun eh. Because it's powerful and also because it's rare. I've been facilitating team building workshops, team development programs for the last 30 years. There were only 2 times, 2 beses lang, ako nagsabi sa kliyente na nagre-request ng team building na hindi nyo kailangan ng team building. And I've run hundreds of them. Even yung mga leader na nagsasabi, wala naman kami problema yung team namin. Anong problema? Gusto lang namin mag-outing, pero yung team building mabilis ma-aprobahan ng budget. Parang ganun yan. Diba? Wala kaming problema. So sabi ko, gusto mo bang seryosohin to? Kaya, sige, let me diagnose the team. And then, all of a sudden, maraming yung undercurrents, fake harmony. Yung leader, wala kaming problema. Pag tinanong mo sa, ang dami namin problema. Bakit nga may problema? Ito sabi niya, trust is the foundation of teamwork. Without it, we have a problem because people are invulnerable. Walang gustong umamin na meron silang pagkukulang. It's always someone else. It's always someone else. Nakita ko kanita, dito walang plastikan. Basta ako hindi plastic. Yung nagsulat nun, ako hindi plastic. Pero may iba rito, plastic. Di ba? Be open-minded. Sana naman yung iba dito maging open-minded. Hindi ako yun, ha? Open-minded ako. Yung iba lang. Hindi ako, because I'm good, no? So, invulnerability. So, trust requires vulnerability. Bakit ba sinasabing, I've got your back? At bakit yung mga taong hindi mo pwedeng pagkatiwalaan ay backstabber? Kasi hindi mo pwedeng talikuran, tatraidoring ka eh. Di ba? Yun yung ibig sabihin nun. So, be open and build relationship with people. Sabi niya. Bakit importante ito? Because without this, people will not have open communication. Because people are afraid of conflict. And when people are afraid of conflict, it's hard to commit. Right? Things don't get done. Yung mahabang meeting na walang malinaw na agreement on what to do next, o kaya napag-agrihan pero hindi ginagawa. When people lack commitment, they avoid accountability. Why? They already expect failure. Baba ang level of confidence. And when people expect mediocrity, they don't focus on results anymore. What do they focus on? Ego. Like, what do I get out of this? What do I get? Status. Senior ako dito. Ako pinakamaraming alam dito. Ako yung mga ganun, ano? So, it all starts with this one. No? So, today, ito lang tayo. Hindi tayo pupunta rito. Kailangan natin ng 3 days para dyan. So, dito lang tayo sa dalawa. Okay? So, again, 3 things are important in building trust. 1 is familiarity. 2 is norms or rules of engagement. And then 3 is respect for those norms. Today, we can inch our way towards knowing each other a little bit better and talk about norms, but the respect for the norms happen in the workplace.